Alright, everyone's gonna have to excuse my funny voice again and the clicking sounds I need to make to get him to smile. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi, buddy. He's having such a good day today, aren't you? He took like a 2-hour nap this morning. Over here. Over here. Hi. Hi. There's a good smile. He becomes fascinated with the camera more than me, and then he forgets that he's supposed to be smiling. Hi, buddy. Hey. Graham. Graham. Can I get a smile? Can I get a smile? Come on, mister. Are you excited now? Are you excited? Boom. Ah, boom. Can you talk or say something? A little camera shy. Do you have anything to say, buddy? Can you smile? Smile for mommy. Oh, and say I'm the cutest. Say I'm the cutest. You say I am. Well, I think so anyway. Sorry guys, nothing much more exciting than that going on. That's Graham, or G-Money as his daddy calls him, signing off. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.